We got a new Abstract Flash badge, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to get the Mighty badge, which is the newest Flash badge. Also, I got something that you need to take care of over the weekend if you want to get the next Flash badge, probably after this one. So stay tuned for this. But first of all, let's go and get the Mighty badge. This is the next Flash badge. This badge is awarded to those who mint a Season 2 activation package. We're already in week 23 of the Abstract Mainnet, and I said this in the previous videos, we are still far away from the TGE of Abstract. It will be in Q4. LucaNets said this in the past, so we still got plenty of time. For this Flash badge, you gotta spend some money. It's roughly $6. We're gonna go into this. As always, we're here in the Abstract portal in the reward section. If you don't know how to set up the portal, the Abstract Global Wallet, and how to bridge, how to get out funds and everything like that, I got this complete guide here. I will link it here so you can go through it there. Now, let's click on View Details and then click Go to App. Now I'm signed in. Let me sign out real quick so you can see how to log in. You just go to the top right here, click on the sign, and then you sign a message. Because I signed it previously, the pop-up doesn't show up. If the pop-up doesn't show for you, click here on the top right in your browser, and then probably the pop-up has been blocked. So two things that we can do. You can get 100 diamonds for just voting for Moody Medlist. Let's click on Go Vote. Then you need to approve this transaction, and boom, we should be able to get the 100 diamonds. Let's refresh. Well, that did not work right away. Okay, let's see if we get the diamonds later. And what you need is the activation pass. If you see here, mint a Season 2 activation package to earn this badge. And as you can see here, we have different activation passes. They are starting with 0.0025 ETH with bonus 3 Moody Energy. We also got the rare one 0.004, then 0.0056 for the epic one, and the legendary one costs 0.0080 and gives you 30 Moody Energy. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with this one. Let's click on mint, then it should pop up and tell you exactly what it costs. Yeah, as you can see here, we always see the dollar price. It's roughly $6.50. I'm gonna do this to show you how it's done. I'm gonna approve this. Congrats, you have bought your Season 2 pass. Check your new common AI assistant, and then you can click on View Assistant. And probably the AI assistants will be available soon. Come back and activate yours on July 8th at 15 UTC. You can play now though, and probably it makes sense to just play 1 or 2 rounds just to get some experience points in. Let me mute the site, and we're gonna go back here. If we click on refresh, most of the time that doesn't work. I'm gonna do a hard refresh. On the Mac, it's the Command Shift and R for the reload. And here we go. On Windows, it's Shift and F5. Now let's click on badges. And here we go, we got the Mighty badge. As I said, feel free to play this game because it might give you some experience points. Probably the mint will give you some experience points. You can always do the daily logins. So this is something, since this is the Flash badge, it will probably be in the top apps. Is it already? It's not already because this just launched as the Flash badge, but it will definitely be here in the top apps, and the top apps most of the time get the most experience points. So you can just go in here, you can click on the missions, log in today, you can claim it in here, play 1 game, win a game, or finish. There's some tasks that you can do to get some fuel, and now we also see the 100 diamonds in here. Feel free to play this. You got the Flash badge, you know exactly how to do it. Before we end this video, I told you that there would be something that you need to take care of over the weekend to get extra experience points and also probably get the next Flash Badge. And this is the In the Moment series. This is the drop number 2. I told you about this in the last Abstract video. Artists include Timpers, who's from Chimpers. He's a super nice guy. Super excited that he's one of the artists doing this. And on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, you will be able to mint 6 free new iconic moments. So make sure to follow Oracle Red Bull Racing and also Abstract so you get the correct links. Make sure to mint those because they will at least give you experience points, but probably even give you the next Flash Badge after the Mighty Badge. And that all being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming Abstract videos. And then see you again in the next video.